Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this tech tutorial, we're going to teach you how you can block users in your Slack workspace and channels from posting messages and chats in your channel. So let us dive right into it and show you how you can make that happen. So head over to Slack and access your workspace in the top left corner. And after that, what you want to do is select your channel here on the left side to apply these changes and settings. So let me go with this one here. And if you'd like to block other users from posting messages because, I don't know, maybe you're the admin and you want to be the only one who has the permission to send messages, this is how you can do it, guys. You can do that separately for each channel. Access your channel here. And after that, click into these three dots in the top right corner of your channel overview and select Edit Settings here. And inside your channel settings, head over to Settings here to the right on that tab. And here under posting permissions, simply click into edit here. And after that, select who is allowed or who you want to be allowed to post on this channel. Like everyone, which should be on default, everyone except guests or you and specific people. And simply type in the given username you would like to give the permission to give him or her the permission to send messages or post messages as well. But if you leave it just at you and specific people without adding any username, you'll be the only one with the permission to post in that group. Don't forget to save changes here by clicking on that button here. And that's basically it, guys. That's how you do it. Hope you enjoyed this video, got some value from it, and we'll see you next time on our channel.